everyone, it's Raquel, the primary librarian, and today we are going to dive into some new product from Erin Condren. If you are new to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you subscribed, and if you are returning, thank you so much for joining me. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we are going to dive into this. This is a planning pack from Erin Condren. It is in the new Layers collection. I'm just going to take it out. I should have taken these out beforehand. But this is how, if you get these products, this is how they will come. This is an absolutely beautiful. It is so vivid. And this is like, I think this is called vegan leather that they have. It is beautiful. You also have up here, you have this zipper here, pull with the Erin Condren logo on it. Beautiful. And on the back, there is, let me take this off so you can see it better. You have this elastic piece right here and a pocket for your pens. But this will also go around your planner. If you have the 18-month planner, the coil planners, they definitely fit around them. And then also you have this, you could use this as, put this in a frame or something like that. Plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. Also in that Layers. I'm going to put that over there. Let's look at this a little bit closer. I'm going to open it up really quick. I don't know if you could see the inside, but it's a beautiful blue, absolutely gorgeous on the inside. And again, that's to hold your pens on the inside, and you can hold maybe pens or stickers here in this pocket right here. So we're going to just lay that right there until we get ready for it. Then I'm going to open, this is the binder. And the binder is beautiful. It feels so soft, very, very soft. And you can see the spine of the binder, beautiful, and the back, absolutely love it. And then there is the signature from Erin Condren there, the logo rather, sorry. But what we're gonna do, let me move some of this out of the way so I don't mess it up. We're gonna take the guts out for a second. There we go. And this is how, whoops, I guess I should move that over a little bit. This is how the inside of it looks. It'll come with this cardboard, and you just pull the cardboard off just like that. And then this is what the inside looks like right here. And you have the gold rings right here. And there's 2 up here, 4 here, and 2 down here. And then you have this beautiful binder again. And then that's what it looks like from the side. We're going to sit that right there and then take a look at the inside. So when people say the guts of the planner, these are the guts of the planner. Let me open these up. And we're just going to pull that off right there. And it pretty much looks like a regular colorful planner. And I believe this one is, yes, it's in the hourly. And it has, whoops, it has the holes already punched for you for the binder. And there's, again, 2, 4, and 2. Now, I have watched, I think her name is Sarah Plan, where she has made these holes a little bit bigger so that they're easier to kind of go through and turn in the binder. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. But it's a typical binder on the planner on the inside. You have July, the starting date, and then you have the months, the weekly, and then every month you have, there's August, and this is an 18-month planner. In the back, as you saw, you also have the stickers. And I think that's in every planner, you do get the stickers. And then you have the folder here, the 2-pocket folder. I can pick that up. Yeah, you have the 2-pocket folder here. So we're going to leave that just like that. And then the last thing that you'll get, you'll also have, much packaging. You'll get a binder, a ruler, and then these are comment cards and also your coupon. And this is also perpetual calendar, but you get that with every planner that you order. So we'll move all those to the side, even the ruler. And let's just start with a couple of months just to get it in. I doubt the whole thing is going to fit in there. So we're going to take until September. And then we'll take out the binder. Let's get it so it lays flat. And there are no push things here so that these open. There's none of those flaps here, so you pretty much have to go in and pull it open. So let's put these in and see. Let's see what happens. Everything is straight. I only have July through October in here. So let's see, I'm going to put these on right here. And then put these on right here. I might be missing a hole here. Let's see. I think I'm missing a hole. Yes, so I need to be up a little bit more. Here, let's take these off. I need to be up my bottom part. If your bottom part, let's see if you can, if this bottom part is down too low and you're trying to put these on, it won't go on because it's kind of like there's not enough room. It's not stretching enough, or if that makes sense. So when you put it in, I'm going to try this one. Will this one be better? Have all of them together. Put your holes in for each of them, but keep them really up close like this. What I had on the other one, I had this down and it wasn't fitting those there. So now they fit better. Okay, and then we'll close that up. And then there you have. So the pages, they are a little rough to go on this, to turn. But what people have found out is that the holes are just too small. So that's what I was saying. I believe her name is Sarah Plan. And she made the holes bigger, and that makes them easier to turn. So I'll be doing that as well. The other tip that she gave us was back here, as the pages are hard to turn, was that we needed to have a page lifter, which mine is on the way. I don't have it just yet. But you'll have a page lifter that will lift the pages up as, oops, and that will be another thing if, you could get all of them on there. The page lifter will lift up all the pages. So the good thing about having a binder for your planner is that you can take the pages out and then you can write on the flat surface and not have the coil of the other planner. So let's say here's July. And they're okay to turn. They're honestly okay to turn. I know that was a really huge concern at one point for people. They're okay to turn. The binder is not full with all 18 months. They're okay to turn. And I would definitely put in at least, at least until December. I would probably put at least until January in here, because once I get my page lifter, this won't even be an option of having the pages go back and forth. So I probably will add that in once my my page lifter comes. And also, you can also make a page lifter out of one of your old planner covers. I might try to do that too and see if that works. But my main purpose was just to show you today kind of how this planner is put together. And then you can see some of the pages. And if you did not, this is how it should look. This is what it looks like if you don't use the page, if you don't have like a page lifter. Okay, so let's say it's open and then you close it. Well, you try to close it, but can you see how those are right there? You don't want that to happen to your pages. So what you do is you lift this up, lift them all to the center, and then close it. Okay, that's what you do before you get your page lifter. Once you get your page lifter, that's not even an issue in here. So again, I don't have my page lifter, but once I do get it, it'll be a whole lot easier to turn these pages and then make the holes a little bit bigger as I go. So thank you guys so much for watching me. If you guys have any questions or have want to leave any comments down below, I appreciate them if you have any questions about this. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'd appreciate if you would just click the like button, leave a comment, just let me know. And thank you so much. If there's any other videos that you'd like to see, I'd appreciate knowing about that too. So thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to add this little note in as I was going through my planner and thinking of putting holes into it. I was looking for my hole punch, couldn't find my hole punch, and so I was going through and trying to figure out what I'm going to do if I don't have a hole punch. And lo and behold, what I do have is a crocodile. And some of you guys might remember the crocodile from a long time ago. And it does the same as a hole punch, but you can put more papers in. And then it's got here, we used to use eyelets and, oh gosh, I forgot what the other thing is called. But anyway, we used to use this a long time ago for stuff. So I got up to the month of September and my pages are not bad, definitely not bad with a bigger hole. So I did September, and what I want to do is I just wanted to show you, I'm gonna go to, I got a lot of residue here. I'm gonna do October. And so here are my pages for October. And I'm just gonna briefly show you what I mean. When you take your month out and with a hole punch, with a hole puncher, it might take a little bit more, less paper, but with a crocodile, you can use more paper. And let me see if I can still get this going here. If you see here on the crocodile, there's two different sizes. This size is thicker than this size, and this is the size that we're using. So I'm going to turn this around. And I'm going to start here with my first one and just kind of get it where I want it and then punch. And just keep going that way for all of them. Again, this is a whole month that I'm doing. And see, it's punching them out and you can see the inside. Hopefully I'm on camera. It will punch the whole month, and see that one I did kind of off a little bit. But there's like, oh goodness. Okay, well there's pieces that came out of it. Oh shucks. That's how long ago it's been that I've had this. Oh my gosh. Okay, well it's still working. Hopefully I'll finish through the rest of the video. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go here and see if it'll do this one. Okay, it's still working. You just gotta roll with it sometimes, right? Okay, let's see, do this one. I want to at least get the month of October done and then figure out what all those little pieces are that just came off. Oh my goodness. Okay, two more and then we'll be done. One, and then the last one. Okay. Oh my goodness, leave it to me. Do some crazy stuff on camera. So let's put it on this side so we know that it's done, and there you go. All of them in there. And there we go. There's October. Okay. And I know that there's a lot of people that actually love to try the binder, but because of the way the holes are and the way the paper is and the holes, it will drive people nuts that they have to do it that way. My two suggestions, one is to do the hole punching, but then also see here, some of these kind of stick out. Not exactly sure what to do with those, but if they're sticking out too far, that's not a good thing. That's an Erin Condren thing, but they should not be sticking out that far. But if you can go through and then just take out whatever it is you need, even after this, your page lifter, then I think you'll be okay. I think you'll be okay. But if you do, and if you have any, or if you have any questions, just let me know. and we'll get through it together. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.